Hello children, welcome to the online classes. Today we are going to discuss about the acid, bases and salts. This is very important chapter for the class ICSE 10th class CBSE as well as for the state syllabus also. So acid, base, salt. Today we are going to discuss about the meaning of each term and examples for each term and classifications of acid, bases and salts. So let's start with the concept called as acid. What is the meaning of acid? The acid, which is derived from the Latin word, called it as acidus. Acidus. So the meaning of acidus is that is sour. That meaning is sour in taste. That means the acids are the substances which are associated with sour taste. You may have observed that day-to-day life we are using plenty of fruits and vegetables. Let me take few examples. That is, if you compare this the tomato contains a oxalic acid. Tomato contains oxalic acid, and citric fruits like orange and lemon, these contain citric acid, and apple contains a malic acid. Grapes have tartaric acid in it, and curd, it has a lactic acid. Lemon, again citric acid is present. Vinegar contains acetic acid, and tamarind contains tartaric acid. So basically we can say that acids are the substances which give sour taste. General properties of acids you're supposed to remember. Acids are sour in taste. Acids, they are sour in taste. And acid turns blue litmus paper into blue litmus into red and acids are corrosive in nature. Some of acids are corrosive in nature. As being a chemistry student, how can you define the acid? Acid is a compound which actually when it dissolved in water, which dissolves in water, which when dissolved in water, water yields. What it yields means it yields hydronium ion, a positively charged hydronium ion. Basically, this particular hydronium ion has the formula of a H3O plus ion. This is a radical. Okay, hydronium ion. Basically, this hydronium ion has the positively charged. It has only the positively charged. Positively charged. It is only the positively charged ion. Let me take one substance. That substance initially do not act as acid. The substance until unless if it is not combining with the water, it do not act as acid. When it combines with the water, the solution, it releases H3O plus Cl minus ion. So the acid, any substance, when it dissolves in water, if it gives us the hydronium ion, positively charged hydronium ion, that is what we call as acid. So keep it in your mind. This is what definition for the acid. In detail, if you study this equation, and initially HCl when it dissolved in water, H2O, HCl decomposes in water or ionizes in water to produce their H plus ion. Now, and you must remember, water is made up of two kinds of elements, hydrogen and oxygen. The atomic number of oxygen being 8. So whose electronic configuration is 2,8, 2,6, 2,6. That means the valency of oxygen is 2. Why? Because 2 more electrons it's needed to share with the neighboring atoms to become stable. So the reason, the out of 6 electrons present in the oxygen, 2 electrons are shared with 2 hydrogen atoms, and there will be an unpaired electron. Those unpaired electrons are called as lone pair electrons. Pair of electrons which are not takes part in a chemical bonding, those pair of electrons are called as lone pair electrons. Here in the oxygen there are 2 lone pair electrons. So oxygen of water contains 2 lone pair electrons. A pair of electrons given to the hydrogen ion, and the water gets converted into water gets converted into H3O plus ion. H3O plus ion. So for this, I can write the overall reaction of acid in water like this. HCl plus H2O gives rise to H3O plus Cl minus ion. This is what the definition for the acid. Acid is a substance. When it dissolved in your water, it gives the positively charged hydronium ion. That is called as acid. Now, let us move to the how acids are classified. Classifications of acids. First classification of an acid on basis of source from where we will get this particular acid. Acids are classified based on the source. Acids has been classified into two categories. That is what one is organic acids, organic acids, and next one is inorganic acids. Organic is nothing but living things. Living things. That means acids which are derived from plant and animal. The acids which are derived from plant and animal, they are called as organic acids, and inorganic acids are derived from minerals and ores. Minerals are ores. Where do you get the minerals actually? These minerals will get from the earth crust. So that is the reason these inorganic acids are also called as mineral acids. Mineral acids. Okay, so minerals and ores. Okay, let us discuss about the examples which are acids are directly derived from plant. You can see here, these acids are directly derived from the plant. Hence the reason these acids will considered as a organic acids. And along with this, antisting and beesting releases the methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. This is also called as formic acid. This is also called as formic acid. Formic means formica is nothing but formic acid derived from the Latin word formica. The meaning of formica is nothing but red ant. So the red ant, the sting of red ant releases the acid called as formic acid. So these are the best examples for the organic acid. Generally, organic acids are weak acids. Organic acids are weak acids. Weak acids. Well, just I'm giving here for note. So later on we'll discuss about the weak acids and strong acids. Examples for inorganic acids are inorganic acids directly derived from the minerals and ores. So examples, sulfate ores produces sulfur dioxides, and chloride ores produces hydrochloric acids, nitrate ores produces HNO3 nitric acid. These are all comes under mineral acids or inorganic acids. Along with this, we also learned about the carbonic acid, phosphoric acid. You must remember these three are belongs to strong acids. Strong acids. And this is belongs to weak acid. Weak acid. You can see that weak acids we can easily taste them. So we can easily taste them. For example, Pepsi, Mirinda, Coca-Cola, what we are using, the soft beverages, those liquids are filled with dissolved carbon dioxide. That is called as carbonic acid. But you're not supposed to taste these particular acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, and all, because they are highly corrosive in nature. They are highly corrosive in nature. So that is the reason children you're not supposed to taste, and also you're not supposed to touch these acids without wearing gloves in the laboratory. Okay, so be careful while handling the strong acids.